This is the Focult Pendulum at the Chicago Museum of Science and Industry. Focult Pendulum was invented in 1851 by a man named Leon Focult. It is designed to be a simple and easily understood proof of the Earth's rotation. There is a very long pendulum dangling from the roof, and as you can see, it swings back and forth, and throughout the day as the Earth rotates, the pendulum, the path of the pendulum is ever so slightly changed minute by minute, and as you can see, the pendulum gets closer with each swing to the pins on the side. Alright, here we go. Big explosion coming up. Oh, alright, maybe not. I fooled you all a bit. Anyhow, thanks for watching this Focult Pendulum, just in case you didn't know that the Earth was turning and stuff.